Hello and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and it's Friday morning. My wife Robin will be away and I have decided to cook for myself one of my favorite dishes. It involves Worcestershire, which camera I am. And onions, peppers, and mushrooms, and beef. Simple. I developed this years ago. It's one of my favorite meals. I'll be using Shun 8-inch chef knife. We're going to start with an onion. Oops. I use, these are the little plastic bags that you get at the grocery store when you put your produce and other things in it. I use these for trash bags. Some people use a bowl, which I used a bowl for years, but then I decided, get it. And I don't know about you, but I hate peeling onions. These peeled actually really well. So for this dish, we're just going to do a real quick slice. Whoop. Never have too much onion. Love my board scraper. And then I'm grabbing another knife. And I'm going to take a utility knife. This is how I do peppers. Other people have other ways. And cut it in half, just like so. Take the utility knife. And then what I usually do, since I can't get in there with the knife, I'm going to take my thumbnail and I'm going to get the seeds out. Use my thumbnail to get the rest of that out. Same thing with this half. I hate pepper seeds. They're a pain in the butt. Get rid of all that mess. I'm going to slice these. I just kind of take them up, take some, line them up. And let's just kind of do a rough chop. And I'll do this side. And I'll do this half. Again, I'm going to do a slice. Goes bite-sized pieces. This will be a stir fry. So there's that pepper. Grabbing a bowl. Now the next fun task is mushrooms. What I do, I basically break away the stem. They'll pop out just one way, then back the other way. Boop. Get the stems out of the caps. And the reason I personally do this is because they're easier to cut. Just slice. Oops, towel. Get rid of the stems into the bag. These are just brown mushrooms. I'm gonna take my knife, do a quick slice. Here's one. Next. As you see, my guide finger, like I taught in my basic knife skills. Getting down to my fingertips. And last small one. Got a bowl? Yep, sure do. Get back here. And let's gonna do a little bit of board maintenance. Nice to work with a clean workspace. Gonna grab another bowl. Beef. What am I using today? Ooh, what do I got here? Beef chuck top blade. It looked good in the store. A lot of people ask, I get asked questions a lot. I buy meat, or especially beef and pork, by the way it looks. I don't necessarily look at the label. This is a 0.90 pounds, and I only paid $6.74. This is for me only tonight. Okay, so we're gonna cut this open. This is the beauty of having a sharp knife. That is kind of fun little trick. This is just an entertainment value here. I roll it back. Nice looking piece of meat. It's got a nice little fat layer down the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife, cut down the center, and cut this into bite-sized pieces. Yep, here we go. The next one, cut in half. Actually, I'm going to do some trimming here. This one's got a little more. I'm going to cut out this fat. That looks fine. And then I'm going to cut the fat out here. And a little more trim. It's okay to cut out some fat, especially big chunks of gristle like that. So then I'm going to do these individually, real quick, into bite-sized pieces. Into the bowl. And a few more cuts. Voila! Beef. This has been my prep. Have a good time. See you later. Bye. Welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I got a hot wok getting hot right now. I'm going to add some olive oil and get that nice and cookie and going. First thing I will be adding is the beef. Once I get the beef going, I'll add some salt, some fresh ground black pepper. I believe in salting and peppering in layers as we cook. That way everything gets a nice coating and seasoning of kosher salt and black pepper. Ooh, nice sizzle. that settle down a little bit. When you're working with bulk salt and bulk pepper, you always go salt first, then pepper. I'm gonna let these cook for a minute or two. Get them flat in the pan. Got some rice going in the microwave. Yes, I cook my rice in the microwave. Ooh. About another minute or so more. And then we'll be adding onion, the mushrooms, red bell pepper, and garlic. Ooh, fire! About another 30 seconds. With a slotted spoon, I'm going to take the beef out. And add the onion. Red onion sliced. We'll break them up. Oh, excuse me. We're going to add a layer of salt to this. Of course, I'm using kosher salt. Add a little more salt. And black pepper. Next one, I'm going to add just a tad bit of oil to this. There we go. Got some basil, dried oregano, and some paprika from India. Yummy. Gonna add the beef back. See how quickly this is going? One of the beauties of using a wok. Now the secret ingredient, vegan parents, Worcestershire sauce. I never measure. I like a lot. There it is.